Hey folks, welcome back to another Fresh Produce. I'm Pete from BTI. Now we've got a new product to talk about today. I love bringing stuff in here and getting a nice in-depth look at it. I think you're gonna be able to get more information from our video, hopefully, than we can really put on our website or even E13 can show on their website too. So diving right into it, we've got these new E13 quick fill valves. I know there's a couple of other great tubeless valve options out on the market right now, some brand new ones that are getting a lot of press. I think these are a really great competition, a really great option at a good price point. They retail for just 20 bucks. So let's get right into it. Of course, they're available in a couple of different lengths to fit different rim depths, as well as colors to match your ride. Now, what makes these unique is the fact that they break into several different pieces. So there's a nice aluminum valve cap. You can take that off. There's the press to valve core that sits right at the top. That can be pulled out, and it's just a little short one. So it really just sits right here at the top of the valve. It doesn't go deep into this one, of course. What's key about that is, you can just use this while you're filling your tire like a normal press to valve. But what's key is after you take off this top section, it's wide open. There's nothing to clog up down in here. There's no long rod, blocking the way. It's going to be really easy to get sealant in, as well as also like blast it with an air compressor to clear it out if that sealant ever does gob up inside. So that top portion can be removed as you're adding sealant. But another kind of key piece is the fact that this whole bottom section can come right off, and that's what you're going to put down in the rim bed over your rim tape, and then kind of this middle portion threads back in, and that actually acts as the nut as well for the valve. So it has a nice big knurled section here on the top of the wide portion. Gives you a good purchase to really get this thing tightened down on your rim. Going to allow a nice seal. Another key note is they do have some cutouts on the bottom of this, allowing for use with a push core or other tire inserts. So they thought about a lot of details on this one. So you can get this thing mounted up. You can mount your tire, both beads all the way on. No need to leave, half the bead off to get sealant in. Get the whole tire on and mounted, and then you can just use their little applicator bottle for their tire plasma and just squeeze it right in. So really easy application. If you wanted to then blast a little bit of air through there to make sure it's clear, you're good to go. You can just slide or thread the top part back on. It's all going to seal up nice and tight, and then just inflate normally with your press inflator. All right, like I said, I think this is a really cool option that definitely makes economical sense compared to some of the competition out there. Should be easy to work on and give you lots of options for refilling sealant after some dries up, or even just putting it in for the first time when you get that new tire on. Check them out, the quick fill tubeless valves from E13. If you think it makes sense for your ride, you'd like to try them out, make sure you ask at your local bike shop and tell them BTI sent you.